Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn CSS colors. What are the colors? How to apply in HTML tags to these colors? How we are going to applying using style tags. This is a very simple and easy lecture. So here I'll explain you very detailed information to applying of inline as well as internal. So which is a convenient you to applying these tags, you may try to apply. Most of the preferred you have to try to apply as internal code. So here you may observe very simple. So one is h1 tag and one paragraph tags are available in my system. So save this and reload the page. In this way you are going to see. Alright. Now you may observe here I'm preparing like style. Yes, this style tag inside I'm preparing like h1 properties for h1 tag to be applied. In this what I need to write very simply like background color. Only h1 tag will apply this background color, that is, let's take tomato. Yeah, let's take tomato. Save this h1 tag, how it is going to be replying, let's see. Run it. Wow, h1 background color. So spelling of this one is very important. Yes, so the spelling TA I have entered. So tomato is in a TOMATO. So very specifically you have to know the name of the color. So we are applying for h1 tag to be representing and applying for this background color of this h1 tag. So what happening here, let's see. When you refresh, this HTML tag is going to be applying a background orange like a tomato color. Clear? So similarly, if you need to apply so multicolors, I would like to show you some more colors. So for paragraph, if I want to write something like a style, it's an inline code. So the style background color, let's see, background color, you may take like a gray, slate blue or anything. SLA, yeah, slate blue. So save this and check with the output. Reload. Wow, this is the blue color is applied here. So how we are getting? Similarly, if you want to apply more like either internal or inline, whatever it the style you are going to be writing, it's absolutely okay. So if I am taken like internal code as tomato I have taken, similarly this paragraph also I'll write there itself. Let's see one by one. We can extend the more code also. Okay, save and make a move to here and define paragraph. Inside we'll try to add simply background slate blue. That's it. So let's check it. Reload. No change whether it is writing internal or inline, absolutely okay. So in addition to, I would like to say you like these color names we are giving here. These color names we are giving. So perfect. So if I want like making a custom color with more colors, how it is possible? Let's check in Google color wheel. In Google, just hit on color wheel. So here you may take Canva or color Adobe or free colors which are giving, which is a convenient you and which are giving free colors. Take a right click on the link and open a new tab. So you will see a number of combination of colors. This is the color wheel. These are the light and these are the dark. And similarly you will get, see these are two opposite colors. Which colors you need to make your website accordingly, you may select the color combinations of your project. So here you may see the two boxes are showing dark orange, someone may see like blue, someone may see green, whatever the color you like. These all are, you may apply like web colors. We call it as web colors. So accordingly, see, when I am choosing something like a dragging, by holding this and dragging some around the circle, this wheel, the colors are going to be changing. This is the major color, this is the minor color. Alright, so in this case, if you want to like pick a color, how you will apply? How you will apply? See, taking off this color, you need to save this code. For an example, I'll show you. Take a copy of this code and go to your h1 tag or p tag, wherever you want to apply. So remove this name and paste this code. Very simply, with the hashtag, it should be. Most cases it would be on 6-digit code would be there, the color code. So save this and go to our page, refresh. So this color is applied here. So how beauty. You need not to remember anything. So what you need to do? Go to the color wheel, set of your colors and the combination, take the respective code and the entire pages where the code is applied. If it is an external sources, if it is applied, entire, you may take it. See, 2 color combination, 3 color combination. See, these are the very easy to making a beautification of your website. So, and more number of colors are there, shades, tinny, tone, which color you want, you just take a code of that and you just apply in your CSS code. That color automatically implies and shows in output, whether it may be background color or font color, text color, whatever it you want. You may same thing you may apply for this paragraph also. For paragraph, I'm trying to apply one new color. Let's see. So shall we like which color? Yeah, I'll try to apply this color. By clicking here, you will take in a copy from canva.com. It's absolutely free to use. Need not to pay anything for these services. So paste over here, save it and go back to our page, output page, reload. So how happily we are learning here. We are getting. So in this way, you just try to apply paragraph text, header text, whatever the HTML tag you are using inside the body, you just apply these colors, making more beautification. I think it's very simple lecture. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.